How to recover hacked Gmail account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application, click on your profile icon and simply scroll below and click on help and feedback. Now here at the top in the search box, you simply need to search the article for how to recover your Gmail account. Once you find, click on it. Click on the first article which says how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Then after, scroll below. Click on recover your Google account in blue letters and you will be heading toward the account recovery. Now simply provide your email. Click on try another method as you don't have access to the phone number as it was hacked earlier. Then after, again click on try another method. Now this is the method in which you will be receiving a code in your phone using which you will be able to recover your Gmail account. So as you can see, I have received the email. Using this, I will be able to recover my hacked account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.